town. Tayo naman, ang invite natin is for you guys to help out our athlete dito sa Olongapo that's in need. Ayan, si Jana Micaela Santos. She is one of our volleyball athletes na batang gapo, no? She injured her, nagkaroon siya ng torn ACL on her right knee. So we're helping raise funds for her para sa reconstructive surgery. Para ma-complete yung reconstructive surgery niya. Okay? Kasama na yung rehabilitative therapy. Ayan. Sa mga gusto pong tumulong, ito kasing si Jana, napakagaling mag-volleyball nito. Isa to sa mga future natin dito sa Olongapo na malay mo, in the next coming days, baka naglalaro yan sa big league. No? So let's help her out. Let's help a young athlete rise again, si Jana Micaela Santos. She's the daughter of John Santos na kaibigan din natin, tsaka yung mom niya na si Michelle Santos. If you guys want to help, you may call or text her parents at 0929-782-1924. Ayan. Currently, she plays for Gordon College. Pero she's our officially she's one of our volleyball athletes for the city of Olongapo. Yan. Okay, so let's help her out para matuloy na yung kanyang naka-schedule naman na reconstructive surgery ng kanyang torn ACL. Yan. Wow. Okay. Yan, alam niyo naman, hindi biro yan, yung reconstructive surgery ng ganyan. Dati nga, I tried inquiring para din sa reconstructive surgery ng right shoulder na-dislocate to, natanggal yung yung ano bang tawag doon, yung rotating cup. Yan, humiwalay, natanggal. Maluwag na. Kaya hindi na ako pwede maglaro ng basketball. Nag-inquire, I will be needing 100,000 pesos, sus Mariosep. Yun. Sabi ko, ano pong other alternative? Sabi niya, hintay ka lang, galing din yan. Kaya lang, yun nga lang, maluwag na talaga. Yun, gumaling naman na. Nga lang, hindi na sumikip kasi wala tayong pang reconstructive surgery to the 100,000 pesos plus. Okay, so tulungan po natin si Jana Micaela Santos dahil may future tong batang to, napakagaling maglaro. Nako, manang-mana sa daddy niya na athlete din. Okay, so and it's now 9:06 in the evening. Susunod na po yung ating programang Kwentong Kababalaghan with DJ Nika. Yan, tuloy-tuloy ang Kwentong Kababalaghan dito sa Radyo Bandera 107.1 News FM. So I'm gonna give you my final song now for this radio show. Alright, once again I would like to thank everybody for keeping me company. Maraming salamat. Alright, and the final song for this radio show is being brought to you by Angel's Pizza. Angel's Pizza located at number 395 Rizal Avenue Extension. Alright? And they are open from 8 a.m. to 12 a.m. So kahit hating gabi ka na mag-craving, no? Pwede pa humabol. Hanggang 12 a.m. bukas sila. Okay? Bulgogi Gochujang Pizza. Kung hindi mo pa natatry yung Korean flavored pizza, it's a first. I tried it na. Naku, masarap. Okay? It's gonna be a first for you. Okay, so visit their official Facebook page to see the official menu. Once again, Angel's Pizza Olongapo. And this song is brought to you by Angel's Pizza Olongapo. Bobby Caldwell, final song for this radio show. This is called Take Me. I'll follow with the song for now. Tommy G saying peace. I'm out of here. Bye for now.